to calculate squares and roots of numbers. Let's start by, we have a list of numbers 1 through 10, and let's say this is going to be where the square is going to be, and this is where the root is going to be. Now, there isn't a dedicated function to calculate squares, but you can use the power function, and here you have to use the number and then the power. So square is obviously the power 2, and the square of 1 is 1, and the square of 2 is 4, and we can just drag it. We use this one for now. If we move to the bottom right corner, the plus sign, the small plus sign appears, and we can just drag it. Alright, that's the power. And obviously you can use this to make it power 3, 4, etc., anything you want. Now root does have a dedicated function. It's called Sqrt, square root. And we just click this one. That's all. Copy it. Square root of 1 is obviously 1. And the square root of 2 is 1.4, etc. Square root of 4 is 2. Now let's reduce the numbers a bit because I find it a bit confusing. Alright. Now that's really all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them